Here we are doing an inspection on a rainy day. This is a two-story house. It's about four bedrooms house with the kitchen. Here's the island. We're preparing for roof inspection. So we have it under test right now. There it is. Nice. Here's where the laundry and utility sink is gonna go. And then here's we have a bathroom right over here. Here's the sink. There's a toilet. Have another restroom right over here. Right on. So this is water lines are made of the copper installation and ABS drain lines and ventilation system. Here we go. We're gonna go upstairs, check out the rough plumbing. Here we have some of the gas piping with black galvanized. Here's how we run it upstairs. Rough plumbing. There you go. This is for a upstairs restroom and a couple sinks. So we're going upstairs. Check out the plumbing on the upstairs restrooms. So here it is. We have two sinks, the toilet, and what is going to be a tub. Here we're working. We're going to master shower, master bathroom. Here's Hector. What are you doing, Hector? So here we go. Have a toilet, two sinks. This is where it's gonna be a freestanding tub, and this is a curveless shower application. So here it is. We have our rough in for our faucet. We got some water jets, and yeah, the Growing brand. It's a very cool application. It gives you the option to add jets, rain shower, and tub, and then you can only, this is a standard box, so you can use it for multiple applications. So all right, here it is. So everything is under test. We're just waiting for the inspection, and this is on Menlo Park, California. Custom made home. Thank you so much. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy the video. Have a good day.